Want to remove a manager from your YouTube channel? As of December 2025, only the channel owner has the authority to do so. Managers cannot remove other managers. Here's the process. First, log in to YouTube Studio. Next, navigate to Settings, then Channel, and then Manage Users. Select the user you wish to remove and click Remove. If any disputes arise, YouTube support may intervene, potentially requiring identity verification, like a government ID or email confirmations. This system is designed to give owners ultimate control over their channels. YouTube employs a hierarchical role system managed via YouTube Studio. The key roles are owner with full control, manager with high-level access but can't remove other managers, editor who can edit videos, and viewer-subscriber with no management access. For removals, owners must verify their identity, especially on brand accounts. Recent updates include enhanced security measures like Google's Advanced Protection Program with two-factor authentication and device verification. YouTube also introduced channel ownership recovery features, allowing verified owners to regain control if their accounts are compromised. These measures are crucial in addressing the increasing number of channel access disputes.